back to Turbo Rider, your trusted destination for the latest motorcycle reviews, updates, and two-wheeled adventures. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Kawasaki KLX 230, a lightweight dual sport machine that's built for both street and trail. Whether you're a beginner rider or a seasoned weekend explorer, this bike offers an impressive balance of performance, simplicity, and value. Refined yet rugged. For 2025, Kawasaki has refined the KLX 230 with subtle updates to enhance its versatility. While the core engine and frame remain unchanged, this year's model introduces refreshed graphics and slightly updated ergonomics to improve rider comfort during longer rides. The color schemes for 2025 offer a more modern, aggressive look that aligns well with Kawasaki's off-road DNA. Performance and engine characteristics. At the heart of the KLX 230 is a fuel-injected 233 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine. It's not about blistering speed but rather predictable, manageable power. The engine provides a smooth torque curve that's ideal for trail riding and urban commuting alike. Mated to a 6-speed transmission, the bike allows for smooth shifting and adequate top-end power for short highway runs. Chassis, suspension, and handling. With a lightweight perimeter frame and long-travel suspension, the KLX 230 handles rough terrain with confidence. The 37mm telescopic fork and unitrack rear shock offer enough cushion for rocky trails while maintaining comfort on the road. Ground clearance is generous, making the KLX a capable off-road performer without being too tall or intimidating for new riders. Street-legal versatility. One of the biggest advantages of the KLX 230 is that it's fully street-legal right out of the box. Equipped with a headlight, turn signals, mirrors, and digital instrumentation, it's perfect for riders who need a practical commuter during the week and a dirt trail warrior on weekends. Its low-maintenance design and reliability make it a smart pick for dual sport enthusiasts. Final thoughts. The 2025 Kawasaki KLX 230 continues to be a strong contender in the dual sport category. It's approachable, affordable, and capable enough to tackle a variety of riding conditions. If you're looking for a no-fuss bike that's fun, reliable, and built for adventure, the KLX 230 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching this review on Turbo Rider. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more motorcycle insights. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the next one.